Hello guys, once again welcome you all in this particular video. So today we'll talk in detail about the NLU Jodhpur with respect to the CLAT. So you are well aware about that. NLU Jodhpur accepts the CLAT and it is nothing but the top known institutes in India with respect to the legal studies. One of the best institute, even if you talk about the NLUs, among the top institutes with respect to the legal programs. So guys, watch this video till the end because we'll talk in detail about eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, selection process, seat availability, placement, and the top recruiters. So let's start the two. And before moving further guys, we have launched the batches for all law entrance exams. So you can prepare with us for MS Law CET 3 years and 5 years, for CLAT, for DLLB, BHU Law, AILET, AILSAT and various other entrance exams are there. So you can interact live with us. You will receive books at your doorstep. You will learn various shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So lot of data for the practice purpose, and you will get the mentorship by our experts. So guys, what are you waiting for? Call on 8828581455 or the 54, or you can visit our website manuedu.com/lawentrance. So let's move to the main topic, the NLU Jodhpur. So it is nothing but the National Law University Jodhpur is leading law college in India, situated at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It was established in 1999, enacted by the Rajasthan State Legislature, and it is well recognized as the market-facing law school in India by the industry experts. So that means NLU Jodhpur has the great repo in the market. So guys, definitely you will get the great packages at the end. It is approved by the Bar Council of India, BCI, UGC, University Grant Commission, and the Ministry of HRD. And if you talk about the ranking, then it comes at 5th rank according to NIF in 2020. So guys, 5th rank, that means the best institute in India among all the top institutes and among the top universities. And it is among the first institutes who started offering all the programs such as the BBA LLB honor program at UG level, thereafter LLG, LLM at PG level, and various doctoral programs. Now, moving further, CLAT is the exam. It is nothing but the common law admission test conducted by the Consortium of Law. Previously, it was conducted by the NLUs on the rotation basis, and now it is conducted by the Executive Committee of the Consortium. So, first CLAT was conducted in 2008 and it was MCQ based and the offline mode. Thereafter, in 2015, 7 different NLUs participated and the CLAT made the online mode. So guys, now your CLAT is online mode, and here we'll talk about the eligibility criteria to enter into NLU Jodhpur. So it is nothing but 10+2 or equivalent examination with minimum 45% marks for general, OBC and PWD category, while 40% marks for SC, ST category. Now all those candidates who are appearing in the qualifying examination are also eligible, and there is no age bar. Whenever you pass your 12th standard guys, you can prepare for the CLAT and you can easily enter into one of the NLUs. So guys, you are well aware about that. There are 23 NLUs, and out of these 22 NLUs accept the CLAT score. The other one, it is nothing but the NLU Delhi. It conducts its own exam named AILET. Now moving further, we'll talk about the paper pattern. So total time duration is nothing but 120 minutes to attempt all these 150 questions. So exam mode will be complete online, MCQ based type of questions. These all are the section: English language, current affairs including GK, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative techniques. So these are the weightage of the questions: 28 to 32 questions in English, 35 to 39 in GK, 35 to 39 in legal reasoning, 28 to 32 in logical reasoning, and 13 to 17 questions in quantitative technique. And these all are the weightage given. So if you talk about the marking system, then for each correct answer you will get +1 marks, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.25 marks. So guys, you should remember there is a negative marking system. So try to attempt all those questions जिसका आंसर आपको पता है, otherwise let it be, उसे attempt आपको नहीं करना है. Okay guys, and now if you talk about the cutoff to enter into NLU Jodhpur, then if you are from general category, your ranking should be in between 160 to 300s. Okay, so below 400 you can easily get entered into the NLU Jodhpur. Okay, now if you talk about the exam activities, registration process starts in the last week of December or the first week of Jan. Thereafter, admit card released each year in second week of April, and exam date is nothing but the first week of May each year. Okay, now moving further, let's talk about the selection process criteria. So it's run through a counseling process, a common admission process known as the counseling process, and it includes all these steps. First, you have to register online. Thereafter, you have to create your profile and you have to upload all the documents. Now, you have to choose all your preferences in which particular NLUs you want admission, and you have to log this in. So the authority will release the seat allotment, and according to that, you will be allotted a particular seat in that particular NLUs. Now, it's upon you. If you like that particular NLUs, you want to enter into that, you can pay the seat acceptance fees and you can book your seat in that particular NLU. Okay, otherwise, if you don't want to enter into that particular NLUs, you can participate in the second round or in the third round. Okay guys, so these all are the steps with respect to this selection process criteria. And now we'll talk about the seats and the fee structure. So total intake is nothing but 120 seats, 104 including all the reservations. So reservation is applicable for these 104 seats, and 16 seats are reserved for NRI or NRI sponsored candidate. Duration 5 years including 10 semesters. If you talk about the reservation, then guys, yes, 15% reservation is for scheduled caste, 7.5% for ST, and 5% is reserved for the handicap. Okay, although it also includes certain reservation criteria for OBC as per the government regulations. Now, if you talk about the fee structure, then per semester fees will be 1,44,000. Okay, so for overall 5 years, your fees will be approx 8 to 9 lakhs. Now, if you talk about the campus, then guys, huge campus is there and various facilities are there. If you talk about the classroom, then various projectors, air conditioners facilities are there, faculty offices are there, conference room having the capacity of 275 people, 2 moot courts rooms are there, boardroom for the decision makings, 24/7 internet access to the every students, subscribe to the various online law libraries like Westlaw, Jester, etc. And it also has the hostel facilities for boys as well as for girls, canteen, gym, sports complex, healthcare center, guest house and various other facilities are there. So if we talk about all the facilities, then guys, आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. I mean, the bank facilities there, medical facilities are there, and everything is there. So now moving to the most important one, that is nothing but the placement criteria. So if you talk about the internship, each year students are exposed to the various legal firms and the institutions or the organizations. So in the first year, you will be exposed to the various social action groups, that is both government and the non-government organization. In the second year, there will be trial with respect to the court advocates. Third year, appellate court advocates. Fourth year, you will exposed to the corporate law firms, companies and other specialized law firms. And thereafter, in fifth year, you have to apply or you will be exposed to the legal firms, companies, corporate law firms and etc. So if you talk about the number of students placed, then most number is captured, that is nothing but the Indian law firms. Okay, so most of the students choose their career in the legal firms and rest opted for the international law firms, corporate and PSUs, judicial clerkships, higher studies and civil services aspirants. So if you talk about the packages, national law firms opted the candidates at this particular CTC 8 lakh to 16 lakh per annum. If you talk about the corporate, then 4.5 to 11 lakh per annum, and if you talk about the international law firms, then 28 to 30 lakh per annum ka package. So guys, if you talk about the fee structure and the placement, this will gives you the best ROI. Okay guys, so you can target Nlu Jodhpur because it is at the 5th place in the overall ranking according to NAIF. Now, if you talk about the top recruiters, the number of offers made for the class 2020 as on April 10, 2019, here are listed. AGP and partners, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas made 7 offers. Desai and Divanji, one of the top legal firms. Khaitan and Company, Allen and Partner law firms, Majumdar and Partners, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, and the Tri-Legal. These two are one of the oldest legal firms for more than 100 years. And some of the international legal firms such as Herbert Smith Freehills London and the Linklaters London also made the offers, the 1 and 2 respectively. So guys, if you are in Nlu Jodhpur, then don't worry about the placement at all. You will get tremendous growth. So if you want to make your career in the legal firms, you have to prepare for the CLAC and always target the top colleges, and that is nothing but NLUs. Okay, so if you want to enter into the NLUs, friends, let's start preparation with us. Call on 882-858-1455 and the 54, or you can also call on all these respective numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram. So guys, all links are mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manual law entrance. Here you will find all the videos with respect to the law entrance on. So that's it guys, all the best for preparation. See you in the next video.